Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm going to be unboxing my subscription boxes for, it's technically August August ALC and September's Yarnable, but they get here at the same time, so sorry. Real thirsty. I put something weird in my drink today, apparently. It doesn't taste bad. It just, oh, I did cherry. It's a cherry zip fizz. And okay. So first off, we'll do August first and then dive into September here. This kind of came in two. So I did place an order as a companion to my Yarnable. So let me open the plastic here first. Get through the cello. I promise I'm not trying to be loud. So first off, the personal order that I placed. Once again, this is Avery Lane Creations. Even with it right here in my face, I still wanted to say collections. I don't know what that was. The cats have been in here. So we do have this card, but on that card was some hair ties, which matched the theme of the extra dyed yarn, which was, oh, dad. Tie-dye. Rats and tie-dyes. So we have 90s tie-dye. And to me, that just looks like rainbow sherbet. Does anybody remember rainbow sherbet? I mean, it kind of looks like bubblegum ice cream, but it makes me think of rainbow sherbet. I believe I have a fake person trying to message me on Instagram. Yay. And I think both of these are sock weight. So this is 90s tie-dye on the sock weight. That's 40 yards, or 440 yards, 400 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. This is superwash merino and nylon. Mwah. And then this one that I got to go with it is perfectly pink, same stats. And it is wild and crazy. Once again, she just does such a good job at dyeing Carrie colors. Oh, I get coffee teeth. How attractive is that? We also got a little free gift. This is, once again, sock. This is a 20-gram sock mini. And it coordinates once again. I love when things coordinate. All right, so my actual subscription box. So the theme was chasing sunsets for the subscription box. First off, we got a yarn cozy by the Cajun Crafter. And once again, I've told you guys, I love the skein sleeves. I find them to be super duper useful. I actually find myself reaching for them a lot to keep things together. So super duper excited about that. Up next, we have a sunflower stitch marker by She Inspired Designs. And this is so pretty, you guys. Absolutely love it. So very, very sweet. Very, very lightweight. It's on a metal piece there. And it's not, it doesn't feel like enamel, but it's a painted coating of some sort. Really dig it. Up next is we have a patch, and this is from Idaho Tailor Made, and it says, I burned these calories crocheting so they don't count. And the pattern that came out for the club members for in the last month is for an ice cream pint koozie. So guess where that's supposed to go? All right. It was my birthday month, so I did get a DK weight 20 gram mini as a free gift with my box. Isn't she lovely? Actually, she matches my shirt perfectly. It's kind of, the purple's right there. Blend in with this weird pinky purple. And my subscription yarn is called Candy Painted. And once again, just a perfect Carrie tonal, Carrie colors, Carrie and its game. I keep telling you guys, I really enjoy the subscription box. When I was reviewing it, you know, I was actually sent this one for the purpose of review. Now I'm paying for it. So, you know, it's good when I spend my own money on it. So those were the yarns for the subscription. These were the add-on extras that I purchased myself. I'm so excited. And my subscription is a 1 skein DK weight. So that's it's the same superwash and merino and nylon. It is the same weight, but it is 246 yards or 225 meters. So anyway, up next we have Yarnable. And what Cheryl had to offer this month is awfully adorable once again. I still think my favorite might be the avocado box as far as the theme. But this one is awfully close. And you'll see why in just a sec. I have not checked my coupon code for this month, but there is some kind of coupon under there. So first off, we have a Marshmallow mug topper. So you can pop this instead of individual little marshmallows, pop this on top of your hot cocoa. And it's, I will say, very, very soft marshmallow. I would expect something like that to be between this and like a cereal marshmallow texture, but this is a very soft, foamy, juicy, dare I say, moist marshmallow. Excuse me. And the flavor on mine is vanilla. I don't know if they were all vanilla, but mine is vanilla. Next up, we have some s'mores dip mix by S&S Dips. And you mix this with some cream cheese and some whipped topping. And this has, it says serve with animal crackers or graham crackers. I have not had animal crackers in so. I don't think there's a wheat-free version of those that would be good for me. But I could eat like the giant like Utz barrel of animal crackers. But yeah, this is like just like a sweet dip. I wonder how strawberries would do in this. I've had a couple of these over the years that I really like. There used to be a small company we would see at a lot of the like local farmers market-y type street markets that had a key lime pie one that was really, really good. So I do enjoy things like this. It is football season now, so Saturday we need munchable snacks. Up next, we have a moisture-resistant bag that was manufactured for Yarnable. So we have a double pocket zipper on this. And it does have a shiny plastic lining in there so you can put different height things in your pouch. And you can hear the crinkledy plastic. That would actually be really good for bath spongy type items. I have a vocabulary. If we could just get the words out. I I have a vocabulary. I have words. Anyway, this was manufactured for the Yarnable subscription box. And how cute is that fabric? Absolutely love it. Once again, I'm a junkie for fabric. So if you can't tell what the theme is, it's just a little bit there. So the name of this month's yarn is Laughs More, Worry Less. And mine, once again, I am getting the sock weight on this. So there is a lot, and I think maybe you can kind of see it a little bit more from a distance than you can. Well, I guess there you can see it. There is a lot of tan in the base of the yarn. So while it looks like, you know, there's these beautiful tiger's eye speckles in here for the fire and the chocolate and the crunchy bits of the marshmallow when you roast it on open fire. And the little soft halo of pink here. The base looks like it's off-white at a distance, but it's really not. It is very heavily colored with that soft, ever so pastel version of like graham cracker vanilla there. So I love the yarn. Once again, it's not the most exciting color as far as the excitement we had with the pineapple theme last month, or like the avocado, but it's an absolutely beautiful color that would pair beautifully with a lot of different things. While I'm thinking about it, let me look at my basket real quick, because I think I have something that this would pair nicely with. Just give me one moment. So just a quick, once again, I've been keeping my Yarnables together in one spot so I can just kind of grab and look and see. One of the things I'm enjoying doing is creating pairings with the yarn, as the pink is the same tone pink as we have in February's. This is the Raspberry Cream from February subscription box. It's not perfect with the more orangey tones in here, but as we do have brown with the chocolatey together, these would not be bad, especially if you had something else to kind of take you from the white to the pink base. But we are pretty close. This is one of those, I keep sharing this part of the unboxing because I think it's important to understand, even if you can only afford the single skein subscription boxes, that collecting them together also is an option, and pairing them together when you're dealing with the same dyer. They tend to have the same feel and style. You'll start to recognize, like I said in the video where I was talking about what I've learned with subscription boxes, you can get that feeling of a dyer and somebody that you just jive with. These happen to be two dyers that I just happen to jive with very well, but you get these very similar things reoccurring, or similar undertones reoccurring with the same designer. So you can start building sets and do a much larger project and make your money really go a little bit further with some of the skeins where you're like, it's too pretty by itself, I need something to go with it. So anyway, after, yeah, I think right at a year with Yarnable, I'm building quite a collection of her yarn. So anyway, that's all I really had for you guys. I've lost my clicker under everything now. There we go. Found it. So I am going to say farewell. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic weekend. I hope you enjoyed looking to see what my subscription boxes brought to my door this month. I am curious about my little marshmallow mug topper that made us famous. Like Pillowy Donuts are Mars Halo, because it's separate, are a hug for your mug. Just set them on top of the cup of cocoa, coffee, or tea, and they'll melt perfectly into your cup. Non-high fructose corn syrup, pure cane sugar, water, certified kosher beef gelatin, less than 2% of vanilla extract. Actually, it's kind of cool that they use a kosher gelatin. Let's see, vanilla extract, salt, powdered sugar, cornstarch, and pen spray. So, I mean, it's the exact same ingredients if you made marshmallows from home. At home, that's exactly what you would use. So, anyway, you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day. I will see you guys real soon. Love you guys.